If stretching your lower back actually fixed it, you still wouldn't feel tight. And if you wake up stiff every day and keep stretching it out, but it doesn't get better, you're most likely stretching in the wrong direction. Most lower back pain occurs because you're in a poor posture, you're bent forward, you're slouching throughout the day. So if you go and stretch your low back in that same direction, you're just making it worse. We have to change directions to change your pain. When you stretch forward, you reinforce the exact same motion that causes the pain. That's why it may feel better for a few minutes, but then gets tight again. This is where extension helps. By stretching in an extension direction, you are offsetting the forward flexion that occurs throughout the day with most individuals due to poor posture, to gravity pulling us down into a slouched position. Extension restores space in the front of the spine, but it has to be progressive. I'm going to walk you through my press-up protocol, which will reduce back stiffness and reduce overall low back pain. You first want to lie on your stomach and let your whole body relax, taking some deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Watch this. And you want to hold for about 30 seconds. Once your body's relaxed, you want to go up onto your elbows. Hold for about 5 seconds. Come down. And perform again. Back down. And you want to do this until you notice your low back calming down. Usually takes about 5 to 10 tries. Now that my back is calm, we do the next step, a press up. We're going to put our hands flat on the floor, press our upper body up, keeping the lower body on the ground, and hold. And then come back down. And again, up, hold, and down. And you want to perform this about 10 times to get a full extension, or as far as you can without discomfort, and stretching of that low back. And the last progression is doing that same press up, and this time breathing in through your nose and blowing out through your mouth to give even more of a stretch in the low back. Follow along with me. We'll do a press up, hold, breathe in through your nose, and out through your mouth. Adds that extra stretch in the low back. And again, in through your nose, out through your mouth, and back down. After you do these progressions, you'll notice a release in the low back, and you'll feel looser throughout your whole body. Now, a few points to consider. If you notice any pain centralizing or coming closer to the center of your low back, you're actually doing it correctly. And if you continue to perform those exercises, you'll reduce the pain. It will centralize and then it will reduce. If you notice the pain or discomfort peripheralizing or going down your leg more, then stop, because you're actually spreading the pain in the wrong direction. Okay, you're compressing the spine. If stretching hasn't worked, try these extension exercises instead. In the next video, I'll show you what to do if this hasn't helped.